Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to get a void check in CIBC. Start by logging into your CIBC online banking account. Use your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the section of your online banking where you can view your account details. This is usually under a menu like Accounts or Banking. Choose the bank account for which you need a void check. Click on the account to view its details. Look for options related to checks or transactions. CIBC typically offers order checks or request check option within the account details. Within the check options, there should be an option to order a void check. Select this option. You may be asked to provide details, such as the number of checks you want and any specific instructions. Indicate that you need a void check. Review your order details and confirm the request to receive a void check. CIBC may charge a fee for ordering checks, so be aware of any associated costs. After confirming the order, wait for CIBC to process your request and deliver the void check to you. This can vary in time depending on your location and delivery method chosen. If you prefer not to order a void check online, you can also visit a CIBC branch in person and request a void check from a teller. Bring your identification and account details for verification. Once you receive the void check, you can use it for various purposes, such as setting up direct deposit, providing banking information for payments, or verifying your account details. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.